Okay, red-winged blackbird at the new feeder. Doesn't seem to bother him. Now those kind of birds, I don't mind having them around. See, he could squeeze through there easily enough. And so can the robins if they wanted to. But I'm pretty sure that let's see. So far it hasn't been good for the pigeons. Now you might get a young pigeon, I mean doves. You might get a young dove to be able to squeeze in there. But with this red-winged blackbird fitting in like he does, I'm pretty sure the cardinals and possibly even the blue jays will be able to get food. The doves are too fat and too tall. They can't stand on that ledge and bend over and reach in like this guy's doing. They literally got to squeeze themselves in there. So, anyhow, I think this is a good distance so far. It's proving to be a good distance. Makes me happy to see this size bird being able to reach in and get something to eat. But the doves, no, don't want them doing that. I mean, if you literally saw the way these doves eat, they just suck up sunflower seeds. They don't try to break them open and eat the insides. They just suck them down, swallow them whole, and they just pig out, and they'll just, them and all their buddies will just